Hi everyone, good morning. Um, my name is Clarken Cagadas, but you can call me Ken. I'm 18 years old and I currently live in Cainta, Rizal. I am college student at Polytechnic University of the Philippines. And one of my biggest interests is swimming. I am competitive swimmer and aside of from swimming, I am enjoying teaching other people, especially kids, um, how to swim, and I really enjoying seeing them to learn and improve and become more confident in the water. For my family, my parents are separated and I am currently living with my mom, who is a single parent, and she worked as a massage therapist, and I really appreciate her because she has always been there to support me and my dreams. One interesting about me is that aside from being a swimmer, I also have experience as a swimming instructor, technical official in swimming competition, and I am assistant coach for my team, Kainta Aquatic Sports Club. Draw swimming, um, through swimming and coaching, I am learned a lot about discipline, patience, teamwork, and leaderships and responsibility. I also enjoying meeting new people and making friends, learning new things and trying new experience. And I really excited to meet you all of you. and And I hopefully magkaroon tayo ng magandang friendship and habang nag-aaral tayo together. That's all about me. Thank you for watching and I'm looking forward to getting to know all of you. Have a great day everyone. Thank you so much.